Hello, I'm Orange County Mayor Jerry Demings. It is my distinct pleasure to congratulate Icon Park on receiving the International Drive Chamber of Commerce Innovator Award. Congratulations again to the entire Icon Park team on this recognition.
This award means so much, and the reason I love it is because it showcases the work of our team. This is a team credit. I'd like every first responder, please, to stand up so we can applaud all of you. Thank you for what you do. Thank you. We, in the past year, have helped 60 charities, 100 activations, and $250,000 of in-kind donations. To me, there's a really direct connection between the work that Visit Orlando does, which is promote Central Florida, promote Orlando, and that gives us the ability to help charities. We need them to do what they do so that then we can be successful and help charities. I was watching Channel 13 the other morning, and I saw a piece where a boy decided to help his neighbors and to help the mailman, like setting up free water bottles in a cooler, and he would hand out free water bottles. And the money for the water bottles was coming out of his piggy bank. But then something happened.
There's a van that pulled up, a lady and a guy, and they get some water and they decide to take the cooler as well.
This 10-year-old has a message to the cooler thief.
The person that stole my igloo to please bring it back because I don't want to use this small igloo.
Grayshawn, stand up. Hey, is that our kind of guy? We're going to give you a dinner tonight at Brother Jimmy's Barbecue. We're going to give you a free ride on the wheel, and we're going to give your family annual passes to the wheel. Most importantly, we're going to give you a new cooler, and we're going to give you some water. Come on up. You're the man. Come on over here. Right up front. Come on, bring him up front. Right up here. All the way up. There you go, buddy. Good job. Good job. Let's hear it for Grayshawn. He's our kind of guy.
You're getting 2 tickets to Disney, 2 tickets to Universal, 2 tickets to Starflyer.
These are just a few of the reasons Icon Park has been selected for this year's Innovator Award.